The best prevention to fight COVID-19 is to wash your hands frequently with soap and water, but at times when soap and water is not available, you can use hand sanitizers. Hand sanitizers near my house were out of stock and I couldn't find them easily. So at this stage of panic, I decided to create my own DIY hand sanitizer rather than taking any chances. This hand sanitizer is based on the WHO recommended dosage of making your own hand sanitizer. So let's start. I'm taking some empty bottles and into this I'm going to add Dr. Spirit. I got this from a pharmacy near me. It is easily available and it costs around 50 rupees. Additionally, you can add few drops of any of your favorite essential oil. This is optional. Purified water and 2 tablespoons aloe vera gel. Now I'm going to take the Dr. Spirit into an empty bottle and fill it halfway. So equal parts of water and equal parts of Dr. Spirit. And if you feel a lot of dryness and itchiness, you can add 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. Going to add good amount of aloe vera gel. This gives a nice gel consistency also. Adding this, add it and mix it well. Now mix it thoroughly. After that you can add few drops of your favorite essential oil just for a good fragrance. Mix it and your hand sanitizer is ready. You can keep this on your office table and use it whenever you feel the need to. I hope this video was helpful. Do share this video among your friends and family. Stay safe and think positive. Thank you for watching.